Hello friends, welcome to Student Corner. Today we will discuss one of the important problem in class 10. Solve the following system of linear equations graphically. X plus 2y is equal to 6 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 2. Also write the coordinates of the vertices of triangle formed by these lines on y-axis. For the equation 1, x plus 2y is equal to 6. If you take x as 0, then y will become 3. And we take y as 0, x will become 6. We got two coordinates 0, 3 and 6, 0. The equation 2, if we take x as 0, we got y as minus 1. And we take y as 2, we got x as 2. By substituting in the equation 2. Now we will draw graph. For the first coordinate 0, 3. X is 0, y is 3. If y is 0, x is 6. This is line 1. We have to draw a line like this. And for second equation, if x is 0, y is minus 1, and x is 2, y is 2 only. This is the point. We have to draw a line like this for the equation 2. This is line 1 and this is line 2. These two lines intersect at this point. Coordinates are 2, 2. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 2. This is the solution. We got x as 2 and y as 2. And the question is to find the vertices of coordinates of the triangle formed on y-axis. This is the triangle on y-axis. Vertices, this is x is 0. These are the coordinates. 0, 3. X is 0 and y is 3. 2, 2. X is 2 and y is 2. 0, minus 1. X is 0, y is minus 1. If they ask you to find the area of this triangle, we can find like this. Area formula is half BH. Half base is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points, 4 units. And height is 2 units. By cancelling these two, we got 4 square units as area. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.